You're trying to learn to create realistic drawings but don't know if this event is the right fit for you or how it can help you accomplish your goals, then this video is to clarify things for you. The first thing I want to tell you is that I've been right where you are now. 2 years ago, my drawings were just stick figures, and many people do naively think that to get better at drawing, especially creating realistic drawings, you need to be practicing more. But even if that worked, it would take you decades to figure out something you could easily learn in 2 hours. Plus, you'd be reinventing a wheel that has already been invented. So if you're a kind of "I'm a go see for myself" kind of person, you're going to be seeing for yourself for a very long time. The better thing to do is to focus on learning the tips, tricks, how-tos and techniques before you even start drawing. And this is because realistic drawing, just like any other skill, requires education. And this is why I'm holding this live realism drawing workshop, to educate you and help you create realistic drawings the smart way. So why isn't it free? It's not free for a number of reasons, and the first one is that when you pay for something, you pay attention. People can trivialize and tend to not commit as long as their money isn't involved. But I want you to pay attention. I don't want it to be just another event you just attended. I want you to actually get results, and so I am taking your money for that. The second reason it isn't free is because I'm giving enormous value. In the last 3 months alone, I've made at least 200,000 naira from my drawing commissions alone. And maybe to some people that isn't a lot of money, but to me that is real value. It cost me a lot to get where I am today, and in passing across such valuable skill, I like to take some sort of payback for it. Finally, I'm a content creator and a teacher, and paying for this event is also a means of supporting me and helping me help more people in the future. And that is the very reason why this event is affordable, helping people. I want to help you reach your dreams right now, so I'm making it really easy for you to do so. So don't hesitate, sign up to my live realism drawing workshop right now, and I promise you'll thank me later.